And I'm trying to share the screen. That's it. So now let's vibe. That's wrong, but let's go here. Yes. So, okay. So what is our goal today? We're trying to vibe something, and it's called that we do the following. So let me try to describe it here. Let me see if the voice here input works. Create a new PR, and also before that, create a new Jira ticket, reference the Jira ticket in the PR. Yes, it's not working because I'm using the mic. So I write it, create a new PR and reference the and a new Jira ticket and reference the ticket in the description. Uh, as usual, huh? Okay, okay, that's too early. Good. Then, what we're gonna say is the following. What we try to build is that. So at the moment we have this auto trigger of a prompt, and we want that if this is executed and it has contains a special keyword, this prompt, then it is not rendered. So when a user message in the chat frontend contains a specific word, namely specific tag namely. So here this is do not render, or do not show. Do it special that it has less conflicts. So we do it like with this. Let's see. Then do not render that message. But yeah, should we allow it for both? Yeah, this is allowed for both user and assistant messages. Let's see what it comes up with. I probably go to plan mode. Yeah, I do this. Let's see. Once it's planned, I could check. Okay. No. Oh. I think I made a mistake. It says do show, but it should say do not. Let's do it like so. Huh? We try again. We plan again. It's probably best. Because I believe it confused the model. So let's see where it puts it. Looks still good. It's inspecting the code. Okay, planning the next moves. Probably it already generates the PR. Mhm. That seems to, so create a Jira ticket, that is correct. Create a feature branch, that also makes sense. Add the do not show tag, that makes sense. Commit the message, yeah, let's say it should do it. That seems to be good. Also, when I look up here, this feels sort of okay. And that feels sort of okay, so it should be minimal touched, which I would have expected. So we built that. We let it build. Let's run. Okay. This looks good. Produces the PR, which I also like. That looks not too bad. Puts the ref as it should. Of course, this is all achieved using the skills that we built. I assume this was Abi that built that. And we see here, we have these two changed. Two changes seem to be fine. It's exactly what we need. And it should then probably put that in. And I can actually test it also locally. Right, so if I put this, I go to localhost. Here we have to wait until this is able to render. I hope it's still up. Where it should be. Usually generating the code takes less long than testing it out. Yeah, looks good. Else would have not been forwarded. Forwarding is always good. Of course, locally I skip this. And then I can test that on my machine. So I can go here. Actually, I tested like so already. Let me see. I can not show this. Just say hi. Ah, yeah, the agent is not running. This we need to run. Of course, I will run the agent. As I said, testing it takes more time. Okay, that is slow. Python, that is really slow. I have to stop this here. That one I terminate. I add a new one. Let's see how fast it is. That one looks good too. Here we are logging in. Let's see. But I can also here in the configuration, probably now, the configuration of just say auto say hello, right? I put this into my advanced configuration. Say hi. Here I put do not show. Like so. I submit this, I save it, publish. Now, why is it not working? Because yeah, the agent is not running on my end. I think this one has been finished. Yes, so it generated all of this. That's good. Now we are checking out on the terminal. I think we should be ready. Yes, that looks better. Core assistance. Bundle score source. And I can run poetry. Let's see, that should come up. If this comes up, then we have the agent running in the background. Unique AI. But we need to wait until this actually runs. Question is this problem? Is this a problem? I don't think so. Maybe, maybe not. So we have Unique AI running. See it here. It's exposing the endpoints. So question is, how are we faring now? I can test by go here. Right, so this should have executed. Maybe nothing's happening still. But look, it did not. It did not render it. So that seems to work correct, even though the yeah, the title. Why ever it says this? I see. Now it's empty. Anyway, it does it already, so it doesn't render it. If I go to just say hello, right, it stays here. It doesn't render the new thing. Let's hope that's correct. Let's go and edit again. And we test, remove this. Da-da-da-da. Remove it. Publish. And now, the feature flag's not on. That makes sense. Yep. Okay. Good. But I believe with that, I will commit it and we will see if this works on QA. So it should already be published here. Look, we have it here. And I can send this now to this. I'm going to verify then on our prod and on our QA environment. So this one I'm going to send to Abi. And with that, I stop the streaming here because I believe this is all like clear and how we created this. Maybe we look at the look, here's the summary and then the Jira ticket. I will check out the Jira ticket. Absolutely not the ticket I'm looking for, is it? Apparently yes, apparently no. That is not the ticket I'm looking for. Ah, the one was missing. Not Iran, Jira. Yeah, that's all. That should be it. Okay, perfect. I stop here. Thanks.